comes Bear.
It feels good. Bug in my face.
Cedar, come here.
Bear, go play. No, oh, thank you, Bear. It's okay. No, it's not like your bear wet. There you go, Cedar. Go lay in it.
Good boy, Cedar.
Bear, go lay in it. Cool off.
Whew, it feels so nice.
It does feel so good. And Bear's like, what's going on?
Cedar? Oh,
He's peeing, so luckily he's not in the pool.
thank goodness. Cedar,
Chihuahua was so cute.
come here. Hi, Derp.
Come here. Faith is so nervous about it. He doesn't know.